quick update on Project Hurricane, guys. I know you saw that we installed the turbo, and now there's obviously a bunch of parts and pieces missing. So, fuel system, gone, going out of the car. Which is awesome because it leaves us a ton more room. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna run a fuel cell. So we're installing a 2.5 gallon fuel cell and a bunch of other goodies from Vibrant and Aeromotive, which, see, loads of fittings from Vibrant. Then we got the custom stuff over here. All of our hoses and everything's gonna be dash 10 that we're running an Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator. We are making, these are basically blanks. We're gonna make some custom fuel rails for it, so everything hooks up to the dash 10 system. And we're gonna run an Aeromotive A1000 fuel pump. So a lot of you guys are like, oh, A1000, you see that in big builds, horsepower, big blocks, stuff like that, or they'll run two of them, or a Dominator, or Eliminator, whatever the pumps are called, because they're really expensive. But we're basically future-proofing this car is the goal. So it'll be set up to be able to run two A1000s, which will be good up to like 2,000 horsepower on C85. So it's gonna be set up to be able to run two because we're building this car to be able to run super, super fast. Now that doesn't mean that it's gonna necessarily get there with the V6, but if we feel like we've hit the limit of the V6, we don't care like throwing 50 grand into custom billet parts for the motor to make it just be stupid, we'll start swapping engines and other stuff into it, but that's way down the road. But basically, we're building the car to be a drag car for whatever engine we decide and whatever combo we decide to throw in it at the time. So we're building the fuel system for that reason, because most cars you can put aftermarket fuel rails on, 3.7 that just don't exist. So we're developing them, and then we'll be releasing them to the public to sell to you guys. So that's where we are for right now, guys. I know it's just kind of a short video, but we got that NPG turbo kit installed. It does run. All we have to do is finish the fuel system and finish our custom vacuum line setup. And we have to finish our new catch can setup, which I'm also making, which is gonna go to both valve covers, and it is a breather style setup. So it's gonna be dope. Can't wait to finish that. Should be finished shortly because I got the hard to get piece, which is these. That screws down into the valve cover and converts it to a dash 10. So we will be selling these and stocking them because it's really hard to get them. Only like 2 places have them that I found. So we'll be stocking them and we will be making this as a kit. Now it will be expensive, but it's all very high-end stuff. It'll all be pre-done, pre-cut, literally bolt on and go. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll check in later for more news, updated footage, and everything else. But remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.